If you're looking for a place that offers a peaceful lifestyle, stunning natural beauty, and a strong sense of community, Wildomar might just be the perfect place for you. Compared to many other parts of Southern California, Wildomar offers more affordable housing options. You can find a variety of homes to fit your budget, from cozy starter homes to spacious family residences. So if you're looking for something unique, then you might like this ranch-style home located on just under half an acre with a pool, RV access, and not only is there a 3-car attached garage, but also a large workshop offering potential as a garage or hobby space. Let's take a closer look. So if you like what you see, reach out to me for your own private tour, or if you just have some questions, leave some comments, and I'll see you folks next time.